Imagine creating stunning images with just text prompt without ever touching Photoshop. So Google's new Nano Banana AI model is there, and it may just change how we design forever. With such a bizarre name, at least Nano Banana has one saving grace. It is insanely good. So today we are going to break down Nano Banana. It's basically Gemini 2.5 Flash from Google and how it is taking AI world by storm. It is just not small and fast, it is also creating stunning AI images, and people are asking, will it kill Photoshop? Stick around because we are going to walk through first what is Nano Banana, second, discuss some of the powerful use cases of this AI model, and finally, we'll discuss how it can change the creativity and design. So, what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is a Gemini 2.5 Flash, a lightweight AI model which can locally run on smaller devices. Think of it as a pocket powerhouse, small enough to be on any devices but powerful enough to create really realistic images, edit photos, and design graphics. So instead of opening Photoshop or any other editing device, you can just use Nano Banana, upload a picture, and tell what you want to edit. So what are some of the advantages of Nano Banana? First, speed and convenience. You can generate instant images on the go. Second, privacy. All the processing happen on your device. Finally, accessibility. It's making these powerful AI model available to everyone. Now let's try some of the use cases of Nano Banana. So don't go anywhere and make sure you subscribe this channel so that you can come back and refer to this video later if required. So in order to use Nano Banana, what we have to do is open Google AI Studio, and here it will show you, this try Nano Banana. Basically, it's Gemini 2.5 Flash model. So let's go on this, and first, let's try out some of the image editing. So I'll upload one of the photo which I took to create a thumbnail for this video. So let's ask it generate okay, edit this image and create a thumbnail for YouTube video on topic Nano Banana. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's give it a few minutes. Wow, so it has created a nice image. Let me download. I may actually use this image as it is. Great. So now make this image little bright. Now let's see. Okay, this is even better. Let me download it. So as you can see, right, like, you just have to provide text prompt and it will create amazing images. Here we will make able to make it bright and add some contrast. Now what we will do is we'll try to combine multiple images. Okay, so create it shows these two people having conversation about Nano Banana. So in this image we are going to combine these two folks and try to show it like they're having conversation about Nano Banana. Let's see. Okay, so this is the image which they have, which it has created, kind of showing they are having conversation and Nano Banana is in middle. Okay, so I think it can still be improved a little bit. So if you keep working on the prompt, provide different kind of inputs, it may create things. Okay, now let's try one thing where we will try to make the cloths we'll try to we'll try different attire on the subject. Here we will say add kurta pajama as attire for this photo. Let's see. Okay, great. So now it has, added kurta pajama instead of the suit which Elon was wearing now. Now he's wearing a kurta. So this is what you can do. You can try different kind of clothes. Now we'll try to do something called product photography. So we'll try to make him hold a Coca-Cola. Make this person hold Coca-Cola. Okay, so this is it. So now he is kind of advertising for Coca-Cola. That's pretty cool. Now let's discuss some of the practical use cases of Nano Banana. First, for content creators, they can use it to create thumbnails, different kind of images they use for their content, Instagram posts, banners, etc. E-commerce sellers, they can use Nano Banana to do product photography, mock-ups, add different kind of background, lighting. Third, marketing teams, they can use this to create stunning marketing campaigns and different kind of ad creatives. Fourth, students and educators, they can use it to create infographics, visual aids. Fifth, design and hobbyists. A lot of folks like us can use it to improve the images which we have taken, and we don't need to use photoshops and other complex tools which are difficult to use. So I would like to hear from you. If you have Nano Banana with you, what is the first image you are going to create? Leave a comment below and share it with us. Will you create a new profile pic, a logo, or a stunning vacation image? If you were able to learn something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and let us know what other content do you want us to cover. Thanks. Bye bye.